Ever been mesmerized by a fireworks display and wondered how they're made? Today, I'm taking you behind the scenes to uncover the explosive science behind creating fireworks. First off, let's talk chemistry. The vibrant colors you see in the sky, they're no accident. Fireworks get their hues from metal salts. Strontium gives you red, copper makes blue, sodium brings yellow, and barium offers green. Mix these salts with an oxidizer and fuel, and you've got the basics for a colorful explosion. But how do we get from colorful chemicals to those beautiful patterns? It's all in the design of the shell. Picture a sphere packed with small pods called stars. Each star contains the metal salts and other ingredients needed for the desired color and effect. When the shell explodes, these stars burst outward, creating the patterns we see. And let's not forget the timing. Fireworks shows are meticulously choreographed. Electronic fuses can be set to ignite at precise moments, syncing the explosions with music or creating breathtaking sequences. Next, let's talk about the launch. Fireworks are propelled into the sky by a lifting charge, usually black powder. Once airborne, a time delay fuse ignites, causing the shell to explode at the right altitude. Now, about that boom. The loud sound is created by the rapid expansion of gases from the explosion. The sudden release of energy compresses the air, creating a shockwave that we hear as a bang. So what's the process like from start to finish? It all begins in a lab where chemists mix the metal salts and other compounds. The mixture is then formed into stars and packed into shells. These shells are tested multiple times to ensure they're safe and perform as expected. Finally, they're loaded into mortars and set off in a carefully planned display. Ever wonder why some fireworks whistle or crackle? Additives like titanium or iron are included in the mix to create these special effects. It's all about manipulating the chemical reactions to produce different sights and sounds. So, next time you're watching a fireworks show, remember the science and craftsmanship that goes into each burst of color and sound. From chemistry to celebration, fireworks are a perfect blend of art and science. Thanks for joining me on this explosive journey. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more curious content. Catch you in the next video.